windshield. So let's find that. Hopefully this shit easy. Cause there's definitely no content on the CBR, to be honest. Like most of it is like basically reviews, but there's no like, oh, how you do this, how you do that. Alright, let's open this. So this came from AliExpress. That box came from Walmart. AliExpress took like 3 weeks tops. And what type of tape? Yeah, it's finally warm in this bitch though. Damn, I thought this shit was gonna be a bigger one. But I think this was like $10, I believe. Not bad. Damn. I thought it was gonna be. Well, let's check out the difference. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, yes sir. Easy. Come off easy too. This black lighter. I think I gotta. Yeah, with AliExpress, y'all get no instructions. But do these come off? That's the question. I don't know if these shits come off or not. I don't think they do. Damn. Oh, they do. Oh, I don't want to break this shit. Question is how to fucking put these bitches back in. Oh shit. No instructions, no fucking instructions, but it looks simple. I got these shits in my hand. Okay, so the way you do it is like you hold this like that, and then put it in like this, squeeze it, some type in the turn. Alright, bingo. So we got all 4 of them in. Now let's put it inside the bike. this in my hand. Yeah, bingo.